What's up, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick repot on this collected coastal redwood Sequoia Sempervirens. The first thing that my teacher always told me to do when you get a new tree into your collection is to assess the root health, and that might mean that you are not actually even going to work on the tree prior to doing any repotting. So I bought this tree from Bob Shimon of Mendocino Coast Redwood, let's see, in the second half of 2021. I basically haven't done much, if anything, to it other than maybe a little bit of light pruning. And so now I'm gonna, after having let it grow out, I'm gonna pull it out of this container, which it's not tied into, and it's in a nursery mix. So I'm gonna basically do a bare root and root health assessment of the plant to make sure that it's ready to have some bonsai work done to it. And whenever I've in the past skipped this step in terms of dealing with material, I often regret it. And that's because if you're not building the foundation for a healthy plant with healthy root growth as the first step, then it's very possible that your tree will be more susceptible to diseases and infections and whatnot. And so you're not as likely in the long term to be successful as you would have been if you had done the root work first. So I'm using a bent nose tweezer here to just kind of comb away the weed roots and the denser nursery soil that it's potted in right now. So like I said at the beginning, what I'm really concerned about here is the health of the plant. The roots looked relatively healthy, and so I'll just keep an eye on the foliage. It did have like one little section that died back up here, and that was one reason why I really wanted to make sure that I repotted it. I think it looks a lot better in this nice pot by Thomas and Kathy Arakawa than it did in the plastic, and I'll put a little moss over my tie wire here so that it looks more pristine, and set it out to grow. Once it starts growing, then I'll cut it back and start making it a lot tighter. So, repotting a redwood. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time.